Okay, we'll briefly touch on this. On the back of the mech, this is the contact block that rides inside of the pin bank. The pin bank is the device that has the 100 little picket fence teeth that actually stop the mech to play a selection when they're selected. The white surrounded contact with a little silver point in the middle is the actual contact point itself. This other one is only an alignment pin, which forces the teeth in the pin bank to be in an even row. So that doesn't do anything electrically. This is what the business end right here. And what you want to do is, if you have a jukebox where it scans past the selections, you've pulled out a pin and it just goes right by them, you have to remove these and clean them, because they're under slight spring tension and they can stick. They get dirt in them and graphite and so forth, and they'll stick down and they'll miss the pin. Or the bottom contact, which is under here, be careful you don't break the wires off. Right there, there's just a small screw there. You can take that small screw out and take this blade out, and then you can take the white contact out and clean it. Clean the contact area of this blade here and of the other one. One is as this is sitting in here, the contact point towards the back of the machine is for the left side, or the hit side, like A1, A3, A5. This is for A2, A4, A6, the even side, or the flop side of the record, the B side. And anyway, make sure those are cleaned, and make sure, as I say, don't break off any wires. Also, while we're back here, briefly touch on this. The other part that you have to be look at while you're back here, this is the safety plunger. What this device is supposed to do is, if there's a record stuck in the path of the transformer and it won't drop into the record rack when it's about to change records, this will stick and it will not allow it to go into the transfer mode. This has to be very free to move. It's under spring tension. It's got to be very free to move. I put a drop oil there and there. If this is rusty, and it frequently is, you might have to take it out, and it's to take this out is not the easiest thing in the world to do. You have two screws. You have one up, let's see, where's my finger? Right there, and one behind this one farther in. Then you have another one down here. And those three screws, and then you have a spring here to take off, right there. Then you can pull this little mechanism out and clean it if it's rusted and it won't move at all. Anyway, that's the safety plunger and the contact block. Okay, and we'll be back later with more. Isn't this exciting?